teach you about all these friends. But first, we're gonna play a little game. See if we can guess them ourselves. Okay. It's all of these here. And I'll have all of us gather around and see if we can see which ones they are. Thank you, my friends. Lots of animal friends that you find along the forest. Do you like animals too? What is your favorite animal?
Raccoon?
A raccoon, just like myself. Do you like animals too? Yeah. So I'll give each of you a token. And you're going to say if you can try and find the matching footprints of some of my friends. Would it be alright if I give this to you?
对，然后你站在这边，正他的，对对对，喺啦隔離嗰個睇比賽嘅，係啦。
Do you think you can help me find where this one goes?
呢個係啦，我哋企喺度啊。
那邊，最後一個。
Would you like to play as well? Do you think you can help me find where this one is? Would you like to help too? Well, how do you find this one for me, my friend? Good job. I see you found it. You can find this one for me as well. Do you think you can find this one?
找一下是哪一位呢？
對，可以這樣。很大啊，寶貝。Good job.
Do you think you can help me find this one too?
在哪裡啊？I wonder.
Good job, everyone. I see that we found all of our animal footprints. Now, do you think we can try and guess which animal we want? Tell us. What animal do you think this is?
Dog.
A dog. Very good guess. What animal do you think this is? Would it be alright if I have you flip it over and show everyone?
翻過來。裡面有它的名字。哇！Good job. Good job.
You know, I have a very special friend. His name is Percy. And he's a little dog as well. And he likes to have lots of cherries, the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Maybe we can go collecting some together soon. Do you have any favorite berries that you like back in your village? Do you like cherries? Or strawberries? Or perhaps blueberries? I think you like a little blueberry yourself, don't you? And we have another one here too. What do we think this one is? A little bit more difficult, I would say. Would you like to flip this one over for me too? An otter. Oh, they are very special. Otters like to live in the river, don't they? And they swim very fast sometimes. And I'm traveling on a canoe. The otters and I will race against each other in the current. Maybe you can join me soon so we can race against the otters together. And I see we have another one. A bear. Do you think this one's a bear? What sound does a bear make? What sound does a bear make? Right. Would you like to flip it over and show it? Okay. Wow! Good job. It's a bear. Well, you are very good at this, aren't you? I can see that we have lots of animal friends back at our villages, don't you, as well? I wonder. Which one do we think this is? A little bit more difficult, don't you agree? These ones like to live in the river as well. And they have very hard backs, hard shells. They look like this. Very, very hard shells. Can you guess what animal has a hard shell?
Turtles?
I think so. Would you like to flip it over and show everyone?
Oh,
My friends. You're very sweet too, aren't they? Now, this one's quite difficult too, isn't it? What do we think this one? Would you like to flip it over and show all of our friends? This one's a moose. A little bit more challenging because these footprints are quite small, aren't they? But moose are huge. They're gentle giants, of course. Perhaps this one was a baby moose that we had the footprints for. And I see we have another very similar. A little bit different. Do you think we can guess what this one is?
Deer?
Deer. Do you think it belongs to a little lizard Yes, do indeed. And they run very fast through the forest. Does anybody like to run as well? Do you think you're very fast at running? Do you think you're racing against the deer together? I'm sure they'll be very excited.
你懂啊？那个叫鸟类，
What do you think this is?
火烈鸟，
Perhaps a
火
type
烈
of
鸟
bird.，
火烈鸟。
Perhaps a bird that can turn its head all the way around, just like this.
Hummingbird.
Would you like to look it over?
Kaya buksan mo daw.
This one's very special to you. Perhaps it's a monkey.
Raccoon.